Dodgy's family vlog.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. I gotta take Kai to school. As you can see, Princess is having her hair done in the background while she's eating her toast. Right there, you two?
It's all go this morning.
It's all go every morning. Are you ready, Kai? Just gotta get my shoes on. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, let's turn that down. Copyright, mate. Copyright. Guys, we are really liking Call of Duty, and we made that video yesterday. Not many people watched it, but there you are. But yeah, guys, someone said they can't find out clan. Kai, any explanation for that?
You have to be over level 5.
Over level 5 you'll have to be, otherwise it won't come up, I'm guessing.
I don't know.
But it's just Dudgies with a capital D, is that right? Dudgies with a capital D. Mum's banned us from playing it today, hasn't she? She actually said, no Gears of War today. We were like, oh yeah, that's alright. Have a good day. Bye. I think I lost those squashed. Bye. He's a good kid, fair dues to him. The weather's rubbish here again. Still windy. Oh, it's a nightmare pulling out of there. Where are you? Come on, Jerry. Kai's gone now. Yeah, it's very windy here again. And on and off rain. But there's nothing we can do about it. Actually, I was watching this video about I can't think what it's called now. Geo manipulation or something like that. It's about controlling the weather, and they reckon they've been doing it for donkey's years. It's quite interesting to watch, but I don't know. I do know something. I don't believe everything that we're told is true, but I don't know about weather manipulation. I wouldn't be at all surprised though, that's for certain. You're probably wondering what's happening with the new ride down the island. Now, I went down and spoke to Henry. I went down the end of last week and he was in Simonjat, so I couldn't see him. And I went down on the weekend to see him because he wants us to do a promotional video for him. So we're going to be doing that over the next couple of weeks. It's for Halloween. So, but this ride he was telling me about, he said that it's still in negotiations. It is a brand new ride and it will be owned by the fair. So hopefully that means it will stay at the fair, and it's a big ride, guys. It's a big one, definitely a thrill seeker. But I don't want to say until I know because he was saying that we're still in negotiations. I was supposed to have found out towards the end of last week, he said, and he still don't know. So, but as soon as I know, guys, I'll let you know. Let's let this guy go. Go on, mate. You're welcome. But anyway, Henry said to me that the ride that's come in is XXL. But when I googled XXL, there's a couple of rides came up. So, but I do know they're big rides. They're exciting, edge of your seat stuff. So, what's mad is when you talk to him about the rides, you're talking hundreds of thousands of pounds, and you're thinking, wow, it's eye-watering. Crazy, man, crazy. But anyway, as soon as I know, you'll know. Quite a dramatic sky there, isn't it? Save you from the rain.
Thanks.
You alright? Looking a bit windswept, mate.
I am.
So where are you going now?
I need to go to the cash point to get some money to leave my hair.
Okay.
To be done.
I'll do that now. Did she get off alright?
Yeah, she's happy as laddie.
Good.
Where the laddie is.
Who is that laddie?
Yet to meet him.
Well, he's happy anyway, so I won't mind meeting him.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I don't like a new Call of Duty game either.
I told him what you said.
Taking up too much of your time.
This time I'm not spending.
Looking at me.
Yeah. Paying her attention and that.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have all this chopped off.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, she's not, guys.
How long is it? I haven't had it done for months. So I'm gonna have the big chop.
Sit down on the big chop. What do you mean the big chop?
I don't know yet. I'll decide when I'm in there.
This is scary.
See what Kerry says. Right, I gotta go. Love you.
Bye.
Don't miss me too much.
I'll be on Call of Duty.
Renault's hoovering to be done. Bye.
Bye. Hoovering to be done. As if.
I'm on the phone to Renault UK. It's about an email I received from him.
Hello there. Okay. Hello there. What it is, I received an email from Renault inviting me to the VIP Zoe event. Just 2 seconds. 02920. Okay then, buddy. So just give that number a call. All right then, my friend. I appreciate that. Take care. Bye. A lot of messing about. Hello? Well, Renault, I don't know what to say. Looks like they hung up on me. I don't know what's going on there. I can't seem to get an answer from anybody. I've just emailed now the sales manager from Renault Cardiff. That's who I deal with when I use the Renault Zoe. So hopefully he can help me. Anyway, going back last week, I received this parcel. What have I got here then? It's a big box.
Let's see what Postman Pat gave us.
Just rip it, no one wants to see you scissor it.
Okay, let's try pick lock. I know this might be illegal.
Combination, you can't pick it. Guys, we don't know the combination. Somebody, when she took it out, just jumbled all the numbers up. We'll
It was
it out.
000 before.
That must be it then. 000.
It's not working now.
Yes it is, mate.
I missed another one.
It's the little baby one.
No wonder it was heavy, mate.
Do not accept if some. What are these?
Oh, wheel caps.
Wheel cap. Wow. Oh my god, there's another one. There's another one, guys. Oh, that was tricky.
Wow. Cases galore, mate. Princess and a friend think they're great. Here are the cases, and I've been asked to make a promotional video for an Amazon seller, Dexeb. They specialise in suitcases. They're the people that supplied us with our suitcases when we went to Florida.
APM is approaching the main terminal building. When the APM stops, please exit and follow signs to baggage claim.
And I tell you what, guys, they're great. They're a great company. So when I was contacted by them to make a promotional video, I was over the moon, because I would never promote something I don't feel is a good product. And I was, well, they were brilliant. Yeah, so that's what I got to do. I'm now waiting for the weather to brighten up a bit, because it's still raining and it's blowing a gale, so I can get some video footage of these cases outdoors. Guys, I can't show you the address, but this is a birthday card for Princess, and I know it's off, and I appreciate it greatly. I really do. Yeah, but I can't show you anymore until she sees it on her birthday. Oh, I'm nervous. Well, you alright? Let's have a look at you then. Oh, you didn't have it all cut off, guys. She just teases me, she does. Oh, looks lush on me.
Where's the light?
Where's the light?
I can't see myself in
I
there.
can't see yourself. Come on this way. Come over here. Come here. Come over here. Oh,
So-
wow.
Go down a bit.
Down a bit. How's that? Is that it?
Oh, look.
Bit down.
See the end.
Right, it's not.
So I did have quite a bit cut off,
Yeah, you did.
and I had my colours done as well.
Wow, mate.
But I don't have my colours done from the root. I have it like so it blends in. Nice.
Looks lush, mate.
Thanks.
Finally got a reply from my friend Neil at Renault Cardiff. We're going to go to the Zoe/Renault Clio event, VIP event. And yes, we'll be doing a vlog.
What can we expect?
Well, it's the brand new Renault Zoe.
Yeah, what do they do at like
2020.
unveilings?
I don't know.
Do we
Maybe a
have
bit of
like champagne and stuff?
Maybe.
What do I have to wear?
I don't know. I won't be wearing anything too posh, you know me. Every time I wear the suits to a funeral, I hate funerals. Going back to the Renault Zoe, Neil asked if I would make a video on the night. Obviously, I don't mind doing that at all. That's be my pleasure. I said, yeah, I don't mind doing that, as long as you promise me a drive ASAP. So I'll look forward to that. I wonder what it's going to be like now since the Tesla. Because the Tesla's a big deal, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I do love the Zoe. I do love it. Even the older one, when we drove it the first time. I really like it. It's a really nice car.
Yeah.
I do. And let's not forget, it's half the price of the Tesla. Even the Model 3.
Is it?
So it's definitely, yeah, it's a great car. I'm going to look forward to it. I'm sat here at Scan and Slow. Absolute rubbish. Mate, that is rubbish, that is. That Scan and Slow though is absolutely rubbish, guys. We've got to go now. We're making this video I told you about this morning. So we've got to take these suitcases now. We're going to try and dodge the raindrops. And I've got to somehow make it look like it's summer. But anyway, that's what you do in the edit, isn't it?
I'm not wearing
Right, can you carry that,
a
mate?
t-shirt, by the way.
I know, I said to you, you're going to have to put something summery on. You've got your sunglasses, have you?
Yeah.
I've got to bring sunglasses at least. Mate, what about this hat? That's summery.
No.
Can you wear that?
I can't wear it with jeans and a jacket.
Just try it, let's have a look.
It don't fit.
Oh no, don't worry about that.
Oh,
So that?
I look like I'm in disguise.
Nah, forget that. Take that. Nah.
Just the sunnies then.
Just the sunnies, mate. The things you do, innit? Mate, catch, mate, catch! Mate! Guys, it's so windy. Oh, dear me. Looks like you come to Barry Island for holiday, mate.
No. I'm quite excited. You know that excited feeling when
Oh, you're going on holiday?
Yeah.
With a suitcase with 2 other suitcases inside? Yeah, I can see how you get excited.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect.
How are you supposed to make this like a summer holiday?
I no idea, mate. Look at the waves. Look at it. Guys, it's blowing a gale. Look. That's madness, mate. Look at the waves crashing on the rocks. I hope you look like you're on holiday.
Where's my bikini?
Where's your bikini, babes?
Make sure you get this for a shot. I'm already freezing.
I hope so. It's like those old doll things. That's those old dolls where they go inside each other.
Russian dolls.
People looking like we're crazy, mate. Right, put it there, like, otherwise you'll blow away. Mate, it's blowing away. Mate, grab it. Right, there's no one about. Look how windy it is, man. This is madness. It's absolutely bonkers. It's raining, mate. It's raining. What are you doing? They're blowing away, mate. Mate, it's not good, they keep blowing away. Right, this time. Ready? Right. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. That's windy, man. That was a nightmare. Right, mate. Just put that one in for now, is it? I'll put this one on the back seat. How do you think that went? That was hard work, that was. Couldn't even put the cases down without them blowing away.
Had my hair done.
She had her hair done. Looks all beautiful. Well,
Blown away. looks
all blowy. Yeah, guys, you do quite a lot of promotional videos like this, but we don't always share them with you. But I just thought I'd show you a day in the life. This is what we're doing when we're not vlogging. Do you have a nice day? Yeah. Good, good. Ooh, look what came for you, princess. Not till your birthday. While we're waiting for tea to be cooked, we're having spaghetti, by the way. We're playing on Roblox. Is that what it's called?
Roblox.
Roblox, guys, not Roadblock.
Guys, why are you getting it wrong?
I'm getting it wrong.
This song's terrible.
Oh, you can't say that, guys. This is Maroon 5's new song. Can you remember we used to sing Maroon 5 together, me and you, babe?
This song is terrible.
You can't say
And
that.
why
You're
is it so close to his face?
He's only been singing a couple of seconds. Oh, me, I was listening to that then.
Well, you turned off the
Your
app
poop.
that I was listening to.
You poopy head.
Oi.
Simpsons time. Oh, babes, thank you so much.
No.
What are you two playing here then?
This is a new game we found.
What? Spit? Spit?
Yeah,
That's weird.
thing.
You ready?
It's a good game.
It's a good game, is it? It's a good
Really,
game.
it's a good game.
Kai got to go back to college now. He does an evening tonight as well. Oh, mate, it'll all be worth it in the end. Come on, let's go, let's go. Just had a sneaky go as well on Call of Duty Mobile. I tell you, I am absolutely nailing it. You ready, mate? Ready.
4 or 5.
This looks confusing, this game.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Guys, I have not got a clue how you play this game. But they're going to finish this off now and then Princess can have a bath. So we're going to say goodbye.
Go.
Guys, don't get lost or squashed. And we'll speak more soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Stop.
No, that's not fair.
That's not fair.
No, that's not moving.
If she don't win, it's not fair.
No, it's this one.
The Dodgy's family vlog.